Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're gonna do is collect some linden flowers. I have been walking along this stretch pretty much every morning, sometimes in the opposite direction, and I noticed on some trees the linden blossoms that are at the lower levels are totally gone. And I was wondering if the deer had eaten them or what happened. But going this way, I found a number of trees that have low-hanging fruit, low-hanging flowers. So I brought my bag and let's see what we can find. So here we have a linden tree, also known as basswood, I think. And these are the blossoms, and they also grow in a formation that's called a bract, B-R-A-C-T. And these are a little high up for me. I mean, I might be able to I don't think I can reach these, but I know there's some further down the way that are a little lower. Okay, here's a tree with some nice low hanging leaves. Let's see if we can collect some from here. Okay, I can get a little closer and kind of show you what I mean by the way this grows. Oops, okay, let me see here. The way this grows with this other leaf-like structure on it. And you can use those in the medicine as well. I think you can, the leaves are edible, but I think they're better for salads when they're young and tender, but they are edible. I'm gonna grab some of these. They smell great. I got quite a nice bag full. Taking a little bit from each tree, not a lot. Nice. Okay, this is our nice linden flower harvest. I dumped it out of the plastic bag and put it in a strainer and then sit it outside for a while to let any creepy crawlies have an opportunity to make a break for it before I rinse them off. And I think we're gonna tincture these. I have to think about it. It would make an awesome infused honey as well. So yeah, what a nice bounty for our day. Just briefly talking about the benefits of linden flower. One main thing is it's a stress reliever. It calms you down. It's soothing for the mind. It can help with insomnia also. And it has other benefits like heart healthy benefits and respiratory benefits with colds or flu, and eases fever also. There are many other benefits. This is just a brief listing. I'll go into more depth in a longer class video. This jar includes leaf, the linden leaf, which does have medicinal properties as well. This is the linden leaf, and this jar includes some of the leaves. And then I just wanted to experiment, and this one is just the flowers. So I'm gonna fill each of these with alcohol now. I'm gonna put a few more leaves in this one. And maybe I will dry the rest of these leaves and try them as a tea. One of the things I always say about learning herbs is to get them and then try them in every way possible to see how they do. So, as you can see here, what I made, I have one, this is Linden flowers, only the flowers, and this is the flower and the bract. You can do either one. And I had more of the leaves. Then you can dry them if you have more left, like this. And they can be used for tea. You could dry the flowers too. So I think I'm gonna do is, the other day I gathered some spearmint. This is spearmint from out in the yard. It smells so good. Spearmint. Linden leaves. So after I've put my linden leaf and mint, we're just going to chop a lemon. I'm just going to dice this lemon up to go in here. We just let that steep. Oh, I'm gonna let it steep for a while because I want it to be made into a cold drink later on. So I'm just gonna let this steep probably for, an hour till it gets to room temperature. And then we're gonna make a nice, refreshing linden, lemon, mint tea. Woo! Sometimes I like those fake meats. This is a wonderful sandwich with avocado and tomato, and I made a sriracha mayo, and we have more avocado on the side. And we're gonna hook up our herbal iced tea that we started the other day. So I'm just gonna use our pine syrup. I had some leftover nettle tea, and we have our infusion of linden flower. So we're gonna hook that up. So we added our pine syrup here. Look at how thick it is. And I'm gonna add our nettle tea. And now we're gonna strain our, wow, that smells delicious. Strain that in there. This smells amazing. Pour that in there. And this is how we do it.